Excuse me.
That's quite a wrap you're wearing. Perhaps I could get you some fluffy new slippers made from the heads of innocent and defenseless baby seals.
Who is this ghastly man?
Ace Ventura, pet detective. And you must be the Monopoly guy. Hey, thanks for the free parking.
Another activist, McGuire.
Activist. Yes.
Activist, yes.
Mr. Ventura, there's nothing wrong with enjoying the fruits of nature. You should try it sometime.
Alrighty then. You know something? You're right. La, da, 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 da. La, da, 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 da. Da. La, da, 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 da. Hey! La, da. La, da.
Do not pass go. Do not collect $200.
It's lovely, but I fancy myself in autumn.